so quickly this word neglect becomes something energetically which looks and feels pretty much like guilt. The bad thing. And it's in the range of trauma, the field of neglect is almost more difficult to deal with than abuse. Because it's not there. You're dealing with what wasn't there. How do you treat something that was never there? How do you treat the absence of warmth? We can say, oh, you were neglected, but that doesn't help much. Because we're relating to it as if there was nothing there. So this is, again, a place where we need attention. We need to bring our attention very, very clearly to this area of neglect, because it's not a verdict or a judgment in a social worker's case file. It's an experience. It's not an absence, it's a quite unpleasant presence. It's a vibration of feeling quite lost, quite unanchored, quite alone, maybe a little bit betrayed, confused. There's so many different words we could put there, but for sure, in the unique experience of each one of us in the field of neglect, there is experience there as opposed to absence. And this experience of neglect can actually be overwhelming. It's not absence. If it was absence, it would be easy peasy. It would be like the darkest night, big, open, infinite, peaceful space. It's not that. It's a kind of torture.